The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, on your 2023 present Ford Explorer EV monitors tire pressure and temperature. This system alerts you if pressure drops below the recommended level, typically 32 to 35 psi. It uses sensors in each wheel to transmit data wirelessly to your vehicle's system. TPMS is crucial for safety and energy efficiency, as low pressure can affect handling and reduce your EV's range. Keeping your tires properly inflated and knowing how to reset the TPMS is essential. Resetting the TPMS is necessary after you've inflated your tires, rotated them, or replaced them. The reset calibrates the system to the new tire pressures, clearing the warning light. The reset calibrates the system to the new tire pressures and clears the warning light. On EVs like the Explorer, this is especially important as low pressure can increase energy consumption by up to 10%. Ignoring TPMS warnings can lead to blowouts or reduced EV range. Always reset the TPMS after tire changes to maintain safety and efficiency in your Ford Explorer EV. The primary way to reset the TPMS is through your Ford's Sync 4 touchscreen. First, ensure your tires are inflated to the correct pressure by checking your owner's manual. Then, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the motor. Navigate to the Settings menu, then Vehicle, then Tire Pressure Monitor. Select Reset or Calibrate. The system will then recalibrate. If you don't have access to the touchscreen reset, you can try the driving method. First, after ensuring your tires are properly inflated to the correct pressures, drive at speeds over 50 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. This should trigger the TPMS to recalibrate and extinguish the warning light. This method is still supported, but may be less accurate than using the touchscreen. TPMS technology is rapidly evolving, with increasing integration of AI for predictive maintenance. Future Ford Explorer EV models may feature fully automated resets via machine learning, eliminating manual steps. Expect app-exclusive resets and enhanced cybersecurity measures to protect wireless TPMS data. Keep your Ford Pass app updated for the latest features. AI integration enables predictive maintenance, analyzing data to anticipate tire issues before they occur. Future models will use machine learning for fully automated resets, eliminating manual steps. Expect resets to become exclusive through the Ford Pass app. Enhanced cybersecurity measures will protect wireless TPMS data from threats. Always keep your Ford Pass app updated to access the latest features.